ट्रिग्नोमेट्री एग्जैक्टली क्या है? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री इज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ थ्री वर्ड्स, ट्राई, गॉन एंड metry or metron. So tri is three, gone sides means we all relate this to three sides. Three-sided figure is triangle, and here metron mean to measure. Means trigonometry is the study of the relationship among three sides of a triangle. If there is any triangle, there will be three angles and there will be three sides. So trigonometry tells us about the relationship among these three sides and the angles of the triangle. Now we are going to study various trigonometric ratios. In short, we say as T ratios. What we call them as T ratios. What are these T ratios about? There is a right triangle ABC. This is base, this is perpendicular, and we all know that the side opposite to the angle 90-degree angle, it is hypotenuse. So we all are going to find out the relationship among these three sides: perpendicular, hypotenuse, perpendicular base, and base hypotenuse. Those ratios we call as P ratios. The very first ratio that we talk about is sine of a given angle. Sine, we pronounce it as sine. And this is angle A. This is angle A. We call this as the angle that is along with the adjacent side. This is the adjacent side. This is 90-degree angle, and this opposite to this angle is the side that is perpendicular. We call it as the opposite side. The angle that we take opposite to that side is opposite side, and the side that is along with this angle is base. We always take this angle as the angle from the horizontal position. Okay, now let us see what sine is. Sine, in short, we call as sine, sin, and if we are talking about sine of this angle, it is sine A. We'll learn about the T ratios of various T ratios, sine A, or the second ratio we call it as cosine. In short, we call it as cos of the angle A, sine A, cosine A. The third ratio that is there is called as tangent. Tangent of angle A. In short, we call it as tan of A. Exactly, we will study what these three ratios are, and when we study these three ratios, we will study their reciprocal also. Sine A. Sine of the angle A is the ratio between the perpendicular and the hypotenuse. So sine A we call as perpendicular upon hypotenuse. If I have this length, I have this length, the ratio between these two will tell what is the value of sine of the given angle A. Or cosine A or cos A. Cos A is the ratio between base and hypotenuse. So I'll write cos A as base upon hypotenuse. This upon this. Tangent A or tan A, this is the ratio between perpendicular and base. So I may write it as P upon B. We'll take an example. Suppose there is a right triangle. Suppose there is a right triangle A, B, C. This will make you learn, you understand more easy. Let us see. Suppose there are the sides. If this is 3, this is 4, we can find out. If this side is not there, we can find out using Pythagoras theorem that this side will be 5. Okay, 5 units. So if I want to find out the value of Sine of this angle means sine of angle A, it will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse. It will be 3 upon 5. If I want to find out the value of cos A will be 4 upon 5. If I want to find out the value of tan A will be, this is perpendicular and this is where it will be 3 upon 4. So in this way we can find out the various T ratios, means trigonometric ratios. So this is the example. This will make you understand in a better way. Now coming down to more ratios, we all have learned perpendicular upon hypotenuse, sine of given angle sine theta. We have learned base upon hypotenuse, that is cos A, cos of theta. Then perpendicular upon base. Yes, we all have read 3 ratios. Can there be more ratios? Let us see. It was perpendicular upon hypotenuse. What if we take the ratio as hypotenuse upon perpendicular? Yes, that will be different. That will change. Here it is base upon hypotenuse. If we change it as hypotenuse upon base, that will be different. Similarly, if in tan A it is perpendicular upon base, I can also take another ratio based upon perpendicular. What those ratios are, let us talk about those ratios. Okay, so those ratios, if I take as hypotenuse upon perpendicular, and that will be the reciprocal of sine of given angle, that will be the reciprocal, and that is taken as cosec A. Yes, if it is hypotenuse upon base, reciprocal of cos theta, that will be taken as sec of A, or I call it as secant A, sec of A. So here it is secant theta, in short sec A. Here it will be cosecant of given angle A, in short cosec A. And similarly, if we take the reciprocal of tan of the given angle, that will be base upon perpendicular, that will be cot of A, or I take it as cotangent of that angle A. इतनी सारी चीजें हो जाती हैं. क्या ये बहुत मुश्किल है लर्न करनी? नहीं, बहुत आसान है, लेकिन हमको उसके लिए ट्रिक पता होनी चाहिए. Let us understand what that trick is. Okay, let us come down to the trick. So here I make the trick. I write the trick. Sine A perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Yes. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Then tan A is perpendicular upon base. So here the first T ratio is sine, the second T ratio is cos, the third ratio is tan. Now let us understand its reciprocal. Reciprocal of the sine ratio will be cosec. So I may write it as cosec, just opposite to this reciprocal of the sine function. Then again opposite, that is reciprocal of the cos function, is sec. So I may write it as sec. Tan का reciprocal it is cot. Tan का reciprocal cot. Cos का reciprocal sec. Sin का reciprocal cosec. So we have these 6 ratios. Let us understand it. Let us learn it in a very easy way. Yes. Sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Let us see. It is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, perpendicular upon base. PVP. We may take it in a short way. Pandit Badri Prasad upon हर बोले. यस, बहुत आसान है इसको याद रखना. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद अपॉन हर बोले. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद अपॉन हर बोले. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद अपॉन हर बोले. P upon H, B upon H, P upon B. P upon H perpendicular upon hypotenuse. B upon H base upon hypotenuse. P upon B that is perpendicular upon base. Theta reciprocal function. Cosec theta, cosec of that angle. Hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta, hypotenuse upon base. Cot theta, base upon perpendicular. H upon P, H upon B, and B upon P. So it is very easy to learn using this trick. Pandit Badri Prasad upon हर बोले. Direct functions and their reciprocal function. These all are P ratios. एक और चीज का आपको ख्याल रखना है कि जैसे ये साइन ए है, कॉस ए है, टेन ए है, केवल साइन अपने आप में कोई अलग से कोई उसकी वैल्यू नहीं है, उसका कोई मीनिंग नहीं है. ये एक साथ हमेशा हम लोग देखते हैं इसको. साइन ए मीन साइन ऑफ दैट एंगल, कॉस ऑफ दैट एंगल ए, tan of that angle A, cosec of that angle A, and so on. Individually they don't have any meaning. कोई कहता है कि ये प्रोडक्ट है, साइन और ए का प्रोडक्ट. नो, इट इज नॉट एट ऑल ए प्रोडक्ट. इट इज कंप्लीट इन इटसेल्फ. साइन ए और कॉस ए और tan ए.